time, let's get you national updates this morning. Recalling the shocking moment when the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, handed the reins to the RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, allowing him to take the lead in the Voter Adhikar Yatra in the poll-bound state of Bihar. Was it a strategic move or was it a subtle nod to their alliance dynamics? The whispers has began. What's this quid pro quo between partners, united only in their quest to take down the BJP or the NDA? But the plot seems to have thickened when Tejasvi Yadav made another bold pitch for Rahul Gandhi as the opposition's prime ministerial face. Yet when questioned about Tejasvi's own prospects of whether or not he sees himself as a Bihar chief minister, Rahul Gandhi seems to be sidelining or sidestepping from that issue, choosing instead to rally behind the opposition's unity and the poll plank this time that the opposition has taken up to take on the government and to take on the poll body, which is vote chori. Now, the BJP has pounced on this opportunity, labeling as a dost na raha moment, when a friendship that has lost its way only being used to one's advantage. Let's dive into the heart of the matter and examine the stark contrast between Tejasvi's bold appeal, says he sees Rahul Gandhi as the next PM phase, but what has been Rahul Gandhi's calculated response? Let's take a look.
इस बार बिहार में एनडीए को काट फेंकेंगे और अगले बार जब भी लोकसभा चुनाव होगा तो राहुल गांधी जी को प्रधानमंत्री हम लोग बनाने का काम।
बिहार को लेकर अभी तक आपकी पार्टी से साफ क्यों नहीं किया जा रहा कि तेजस्वी यादव सीएम बनेंगे बिहार में?
बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एक पार्टनरशिप बनी है। हम मतलब सारी की सारी पार्टियां एक साथ जुड़कर काम कर रही हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है और म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट है और एक दूसरे की मदद हो रही है, तो मजा भी आ रहा है। आइडियोलॉजिकली हम अलाइंड हैं, पॉलिटिकली अलाइंड हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा, मगर वोट चोरी को रुकना है।
Now, as far as the BJP is now concerned, because the contrast has now armed the BJP, who has ever been mocking the opposition for what it calls a partnership for purpose or for convenience. Now, the BJP, while sharing Rahul Gandhi's video, called it as a perfect betrayal of its hopeful Tejasvi. But the question is, can the opposition present a united front, or the cracks within it will further deepen?
यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का। एक तरफ तेजस्वी यादव जी ने तो राहुल गांधी जी को अगला प्रधानमंत्री घोषित कर दिया, इंडिया लाइन से पूछा तक नहीं, और दूसरी ओर जब राहुल गांधी जी से पूछा गया कि क्या तेजस्वी जी को मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा घोषित करोगे अपनी अलायंस का बिहार में, तो राहुल जी ने सारा ज्ञान दे दिया, इधर उधर चले गए, पूरा डिफ्लेक्ट डाइवर्ट कर दिया, पर तेजस्वी जी को इंडोर्स नहीं किया। ये नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन पारित हो गया तेजस्वी जी में।
Now, the question that is now being asked by the BJP, if this is now coming across as a united opposition, or is there more to it? Because it looks like knives are out within the opposition bloc itself over who could be the Agla Pradhan Mantri. In the latest, the TMC, which has voiced dissent to Tejasvi's Rahul will be next PM page, Kunal Ghosh is of the opinion that they are distancing themselves from this endorsement, saying that the PM candidate should rather have a record of consistently defeating the BJP, hinting directly at his own party leader.
ये एक लीडर का ये उनका विचार है, उन्होंने कहा है, तो जो भी ऑल्टरनेट प्राइम मिनिस्टर होगा उसको तो ये पहले साबित करना होगा कि भाजपा को डिफीट करने का कॉन्फिडेंट और कंटिन्यूअस रिकॉर्ड उसका होना चाहिए ना। अभी तक कोई डिसीजन इंडिया गठबंधन में नहीं हुआ, ब्लॉक में, इंडिया ब्लॉक में नहीं हुआ। भाजपा को हटाना प्रायोरिटी है, उसके बाद क्या होगा वो नेशनल लीडरशिप, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे सीनियर लीडरशिप है, प्रॉपर टाइम में वो लोग डिसाइड करेंगे।
So such kind of statements that have now come in from the DMK, from the TMC, because remember when the formation of the opposition bloc had happened just before the 2024 general elections. Now, multiple opposition parties that came together to form the India bloc, many of them were pitching for their own leader as the next possible PM face. Congress was pitching Rahul Gandhi. There were other leaders as far as from the TMC was pitching for Mamata Banerjee. There were other leaders as far as when it comes to Samajwadi Party, even when it comes to Stalin's DMK, they have been pitching for their own leader that could possibly hold when it comes to the position of the next Prime Minister. But as far as Tejasvi Yadav is concerned, this is not the first time that he seems to be making a pitch for Rahul Gandhi. Of course, as far as the Congress party is concerned, they have been endorsing Tejasvi's point of view, but is that now being reciprocated? Well, it doesn't seem so. Let's get in a word from Hridita, who is connected with us. Hridita, good morning. Obviously, it seems that the opposition bloc are not on the same phase as far as multiple leaders and multiple parties are pitching for their own leader to be the next possible Pradhan Mantri. Such has been the statement coming in from the TMC as well.
Absolutely. As you see, there is again a split in the India alliance that it seems like. Now, TMC with Kunal Ghosh's comment yesterday seemed to distance themselves from the Tejasvi raga of the Prime Minister of becoming a Prime Minister candidature. So you understand that this is not the first time that TMC is opposed to any statement that Rahul Gandhi or the India Alliance in Solidified has put up front, but this is the second time. Earlier they had also said with SIR that TMC has been the first party to oppose to BJP's SIR, and this time again they had made their statement very clear that we are anti-BJP parties and the country's first voice is that BJP should go off from the power, and this statement has been put into place by TMC. Is a statement they have made this time again. So they are making their statements very clear when it comes to the alliance. Speaking as a unified structure, they have again put themselves aside where they are making their own statement and saying that they were one of the first ones, even before Congress, to put up something in to put up this statement. Which is
so the voter adhikar yatra that continues in Bihar, and this was in Nevada, where another time we are looking at as Tejasvi Yadav, who seems to be pitching for Rahul Gandhi, saying that Rahul Gandhi will become PM after next Lok Sabha elections. But Tejasvi Yadav also saying that the time has now come for the younger generation to get a chance to run the state. And here, when it comes to the Nitish Kumar government, according to Tejasvi Yadav, has now become Khatara. But as far as his own ambitions of becoming the next CM phase, well, it seems that the Congress party doesn't seem to be endorsing that opinion.